Hi, am I audible?
Yes, Harshit, you are. Thanks for joining in.
Okay, thank you.
Um, uh, the page moderator, the Zoom call moderator, is just working on getting this live on Facebook and YouTube. So we'll just hold for everyone to join and maybe have a countdown, 1 or 2 minutes before 8 o'clock, please.
Sure, no worries, no worries.
Great.
Just let me know.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, who's this? Monish.
Yeah, Monish. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Monish.
Yes. So we are live on Facebook,
Okay.
but I think YouTube. We need to wait. There are some other what we say settings and all.
Uh,
So
Monish,
it's
I'll
okay.
just give you a call. Yeah, I'll just give you a
No
call.
problem. No problem. Okay. Okay.
Harshit, do you want to check the share screen option on your PPT? Let's check if it is okay.
Should be fine. I'm just sharing my presentation now. Can you see it? I'm sure you can, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Perfect.
It's up and
I
running. Perfect. Sounds
okay.
great.
I will toggle between a presentation and couple of screens while the presentation is on. So that should be okay.
Yeah, however you deem fit, please. Please continue. That's fine.
Okay.
Harshit, one more thing.
Yes.
So we'll have an introduction of you first by
Okay.
Mr. Sagar Joishar.
Okay.
Then it will be given to you. You'll
Sure.
run through your presentation.
Sure.
Then Q&As. So you can
Hmm.
open it up and I'll moderate those Q&As. So you'll have about 2 or 3 live questions that are asked.
Sure.
If someone has asked on the Q&A section, I'll just shortlist good ones and ask you, right?
No worries. Yeah,
And
yeah.
then once that's sorted, we'll have the vote of thanks, and that's how about we'll go about this seminar, yeah, the webinar, yeah.
Perfect.
Great,
Perfect.
sounds great. Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Pratik bhai. Pratik bhai, can you hear me? Hello.
Haji Monish bhai.
Pratik bhai, rights have been transferred. Huh?
Sorry.
Rights transferred, host.
Okay, great. Thank you.
हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
हाँ माइक चेक प्रदीप भाई आवाज बरोबर आहे
हाँ बराबर है. I hope I am also audible, है.
हेलो
Can
वॉइस
you
इज
hear me?
ऑडिबल
Yeah.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट
Okay. Exactly a minute to start, please. Sagar bhai, I hope you're ready.
Hello. Yes, ready.
Satish bhai, please can you turn off your video and audio, please? Thank you. Sagar bhai, let's start, please. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, so, how many participants do we have? 49, 50. Okay, great.
Let's start, please.
Great. So, hello everyone. I'm Sagar, and on behalf of the Kachi Bhanusali Seva Samaj Trust and Bhanusali Chambers of Commerce, we welcome you to today's webinar. So, today our topic is digital marketing in the times of COVID and beyond. So, in these times of economic slowdown, we all know that there are some opportunities and new techniques for ourselves and for our business so that we can expand our business and find new opportunities along the way. So, to do so, today we have Mr. Harshit Shah. So, Harshit Shah is one of the most prominent names in the field of digital marketing. He has a management degree from NMIMS, and he started a long time ago, like a decade ago, as an assistant manager at IDEA, and with his growing knowledge and the experience of over a decade, he now leads the division of international brand and marketing at CH Tires. He has won many awards in a lifetime, and one such award is the ET Brand Equity Top 30 Digital Marketer. So we know that the person we'll be meeting is a prominent, what I can say, a proper guide who can suggest us the way in this time. So without wasting any further time, I would request Mr. Shah to take over.
Thank you, Sagar. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, seems perfect,
Yes.
please.
Okay, thank you so much, Sagar, and thank you everyone. It's an honor to be here. I will try to keep my video off so that I can save my bandwidth and present it in a proper manner. I'll just shift to the presentation. Just 1 second. I hope everyone can see the presentation.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, thank you. So before I start, again, I would like to thank BCOC and my friend Pratik and Mr. Sagar. The introduction was really flattering. It is not as great as I would like to think. Anyway, it was really nice to have you. I mean, it was really nice of you guys to have me up. I've tried to keep today's topic as very simple. Wanted to give you a brief overview about what digital marketing is and some quick wins. When I say quick wins, something that can be started immediately after this lecture, something that you can start from your doorstep, something that you can start sitting in your room and start learning. So that was my objective. And even if I were to add 5% of value after today's session to all of you or to some of you, I'll consider that as a job well done. So without further ado, I will move on to the overall structure of the presentation. Before that, any questions, anything that you have, please feel free to type into the chat box. And I would really like if there are more questions by the end of the session so that we can have a constructive discussion. So moving on, what is digital marketing? डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या है? आई मीन हम लोग इतना सुनते हैं आपका आटलू सांवड़ी છે डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ના બારામાં. Digital marketing fundamentally શું છે? Like any other marketing technique, which is basically to create demand, right? આપણે ધંધો કરવો છે or we want to run a business, we will do some kind of demand generation activity. જેનાથી માણસોને આપણા બિઝનેસ બારામાં ખબર પડે, people will get in touch with us, और हम लोग उसको we will sell them product and service, and through that we run a business and we do certain bit of demand generation so that people are aware about our product and service. When this exact practice is taken online, and when I say online, everything which you do on mobile, your desktop, social media, etc., is digital marketing. So there was just a simple definition that I wanted to start with, so that it stays with you. Going forward, I'm sure तुम लोग का बद्धा और आप लोग सब लोग digital marketing experience करते हो day in and day out. It's just that आप लोग को पता नहीं है कि ये digital marketing का example है या it's a normal marketing activity. That's why I wanted to demarcate this definition in a very clear. I wanted to give a clear definition of digital marketing. So moving on. Why digital marketing? Why is there so much of hype about it? In fact, as per the latest Nielsen survey, India ma more than 20% of overall marketing spends will move towards digital. So why is it such a big deal? Atla bada manso digital marketing per came focus kare jai. Why are people so active or gungo about this particular subject? And to show you that, I have some data. Look at that, today has 400 million social media users and 687 million internet users. If you were to put this number into perspective, the social media audience of India today is the third biggest country in the world. That is the size I'm talking about. China no population 1.4 billion hai, India no 1.3 hai. Sorry, China is 1.6, India is 1.4. Right now, third biggest is US, which is a 323 million. India no 400 million social media per audience hai. That means it is a big deal, right? So we're talking about a huge audience. So today, in all your business, every possible business that you run across different verticals, tamaru real estate no business ase, tamaru grocery no business ase, tamaru cake shopping, cake no business ase, tamaru kapda no business ase. Every possible touch point is possible to it's possible to tap into digital marketing or social media. Some of the numbers. Itlu fast growth industry. If you look at these numbers from last year, it has grown to 23%. So we're talking at 128 million users growth over last year. No other industry or no other vertical has grown this much. And we are talking about a huge base, right? India is already sitting on a huge base. If you look at the social media growth, 48%, 130 million users. Thanks to Jio, thanks to low internet data packages and high bandwidth, we are able to see this phenomenal growth. Very important point. Daily time, so how many times in a day do we all spend on social media, on internet? Look at this statistic: 6 hours and 30 minutes on internet, 2.5 hours of social media. And this is pre-COVID, my friends. So right now, if you were to talk of current COVID scenario, I just got a data point from Nielsen yesterday that we are talking about 3 hours and 50 minutes of social media daily. That means almost 1/6 of our time, or 13 or 14% of our time of daily basis apne social media par nikale hai, or 25% of our time goes on internet. That means audience attention is highest on this particular medium. Some of the most used social media platforms. Obviously, we are aware of some of the big ones, but I wanted to still highlight, because agar tamare relevant business ma, if you want to start focusing on say 2 social media platforms or 3 social media platforms, you should know which are the most important ones where the audience is. Highest audience kya hai? And that's how I wanted to share that YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. These are the top 4 social media platforms. Or if you just want to focus on top 3, YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Agar aap log ka dhanda, aap log ka relevant business is, even if it's possible to run on either of these 3 mediums, you're talking to a large audience base that we are catering to. And just moving on to Facebook, look at this number as well. 260 million. And this is again Jan 2020 data. So in the last 3 months, this number again would have increased to 290 million easily. That's the number I'm talking about. The Facebook India audience, it's number perspective. इट्लू मोटू स्केल से इवन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू, आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज, इफ योर बिजनेस इज कस्टमर फेसिंग, अगर आपका बिजनेस इज B2C व्हिच इज यू आर केटरिंग टू लॉट ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स, you should definitely have a Facebook presence. Why digital marketing again? Some of the things, look at the mobile connections. India is the second biggest mobile connected country in the world. 1.6 billion people, 1.06 billion people are already on mobile. And very, very important, and we will spend some time as we progress on this, is e-commerce. Today, on an average, 94% people are at least searching for an online retail store via web. This is what I meant when I said e-commerce is very, very important. So again, आपका business can be real estate, आपका business can be groceries, आपका business can be food vendor, or it can be a cake manufacturer, cake maker, or a shoe manufacturer. Anything and everything today is possible to sell on e-commerce. और इसके लिए I have some slides in the coming slide. Highlight how quickly possible. So इंटरनेट पे है, आज e-commerce सर्च कर रहे हैं, and this is again Jan 2020. Believe me, ये नंबर बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हुआ है because of COVID. People are home. People are used to ordering online now. Look at the category. So this will again help you. Fashion. If you are into fashion business, look at this. People are spending $12.54 billion. Electronics. If you're a mobile manufacturer, if you're a mobile reseller, etc., $8.73 billion has been spent last year. This is all done by Indians, guys. Food category, 2.39 billion. Travel obviously is the biggest because travel accommodates everything, which is flight booking and stay, hotel stay, etc. 87 billion. Huge numbers, right? And that's why I wanted to say that this is the medium that is here to stay. And this is a consolidated report. You can find the report. Just type for social media, and you will get a lot of this report, consolidated report on the web. And one of the important points that we spoke to and we found out was, how do people find your business? Jare Monsoon, most of the people, we run a lot of small businesses, and we don't know how do we engage with this business. How do we reach out to these business? So when we talk about top 10 mediums through which they search your brand or search your business, 7 out of top 10 is linked to internet. Sauthi Pillow obviously is ads on television. TV per ad karso, people will find your business. But it is a very, very expensive medium, right? You will spend crores of rupees to be present on TV. But look at everything else. Search engine, 34%. It is almost at par with TV. 34%, 35%. That means you can reach out to, through search engine, you can do your business listing, and it is easy to find you. Retail websites, ads on social media, ads on websites. Everything that you see here, consumer website reviews, brand and product websites, everything that you see here is all linked to internet. And that's why a lot of people sometimes ask me that, why are you in this field? Or is this field really worth the hype? And that's why I say, you know what, let statistics do the talking. Numbers will tell you ye kitna bada business hai. And that's why it is important to get your attention to this particular vertical. Moving on. When we talk about digital marketing, and we spoke about how we do everything in the online space to जो हर जनरेशन में हेल्प, मैं आपका 2 मिनट लूंगा, पहले आपको ये 2 स्लाइड समझाऊंगा, and आज बेस स्लाइड्स बची, I will quickly toggle to my Google Chrome screen to show you what I mean by each of these topics. Just stay with me here.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm so sorry to interrupt.
Sure.
Can you please check your speed and your audio volume if we can just manage that, because getting too many requests for the same, please. We'll take
Sure.
about 30 seconds and check it, and then we can continue from where you left, please.
I'm not audible? Okay, audible now?
Yes, sounds great, better. I think we can move on.
Okay, sorry for this, guys. You want me to go back to any particular slide? Just let me know, Pratik.
Yeah,
If you,
just the last one, please. Would be great.
okay. So the last slide I wanted to highlight was that any new business or any new brand is getting discovered today via internet. और अगर आप लोग फोकस कीजिएगा तो देखिएगा out 7 out of 10 elements today is actually on internet. Number one is obviously television, which is very expensive medium, right? अगर आप लोग को television पे जाना है, that means you will have to invest crores of rupees to make an ad and then to crack a media deal and then be present on TV. But apart from that, if you look at search engine, if you look at retail websites, if you look at social media, ये सारा free है to start with. Obviously यहाँ पे भी पैसा डालना पड़ेगा, but to start with, this is all free. And when you promote it within your friends and family, and your friends and family promote it further, you get a free audience which you will not get on any other medium. That means if you look at 7 out of these 10 mediums right now, India में 7 में से 10 लोग find internet as one of the important sources of brand discovery. 7 sources out of 10 sources are an important internet source, right? So that's why I'm saying that this is a big deal, because numbers back this medium. What I'm going to show you today is certain elements of digital marketing. And मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि what are the various ways जिसके through demand आती है. Just stay with me for these 2 slides. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go to my Google Chrome screen and I will share what exactly do I mean by all of this that I'm going to show you right now. Right? So top 11. So, and these are, believe me, these are not the only 11 elements. There are a host of elements, but these are simpler, and most of you would have experienced these elements through your social media consumption. आप लोगों ने ad देखा होगा, आप लोगों ने Facebook पे देखा होगा, आप लोगों ने ESPN Cricinfo पे देखा होगा. That means all of you, आप लोगों ने ये content experience किया हुआ है. It's possible कि आपको ये पता नहीं होगा कि it's a type of digital marketing technique, and that's why I wanted to share these elements with you. So the top 11 elements that I'm going to share is, one is the display advertising. जो भी आप वेबसाइट, किसी भी वेबसाइट के साथ टाइप करते हो और वो वेबसाइट पे अगर आपकी एड दिखती है, that is a display advertising. Social media advertisement or social media content is જે આપણું social media page છે. આજે if I'm a local brand, I know multiple friends who own a cake shop. આજે લોકો Instagram પર ad નાખે છે, Instagram પર પોતાના products નાખે છે. That is social media. Content marketing is done by mostly B2B guys. Doesn't mean that B2C cannot do it. B2B, when I say, જ્યારે કોઈ પણ business to business dealing થતું હોય, એ લોકો content marketing use કરે. What I mean by content marketing is, I would like people to download my presentation. I would like people to download my brochures. I would like people to download my white papers. That is a B2B, or that is a part of content marketing. I'm giving content to the user through which I'm creating a demand. Search engine marketing and search engine optimization are SEM and SEO. These are the things જે આપણે day in and day out experience કર્યું છે. ખાલી આપણને ખબર નથી કે આપણે એને SEO અને SEM કહેવાનું છે. That's all. Influencer marketing, again, I'm going to show you an example of a celebrity, but doesn't mean કે આજે આપણે ખાલી celebrity is an influencer. Ajay, if you have somebody in your network right now, out of 100 people who are present right now, there will be 5 people who have a great social media presence, who have thousands and 1,500 or 2,000 friends, who will have close to 5,000 followers on Instagram. And even they can become your influencer. Email marketing, anything that I use to reach your email inbox is called as email marketing. How do I do this? Generally, my database is right. If I do any activity, if I do any B2B activity, or if I have a website where people will come and register, that means I will have an email address to database. Email address per, if I were to advertise a new offer. Now I will give you an example of a real estate here. A real estate owner, a real estate brand, for example, say Loda or somebody, today will have a launch program, and there will be 100 odd people who come for this program. 100 માણસ છે પોતાનો email ID sales manager હારે share કર્યું છે. What will happen is, out of these 100, say 10 people ended up making a purchase, 90 people are still in the dormant phase, but they're still evaluating. After 3 months, Loda feels that there's a possibility of a new offer that is coming up. And these 90 guys are my first audience I should reach out to because they're already exposed to the brand. So Lodha Sugar se 90 लोगों ने email Mughal said that, you know what, you inquired about this particular property. Would you like to explore this? And that means these 90 people, if out of five out of 90 people get converted, that means they were made aware through medium of email marketing. They were already exposed to the brand and they got exposure through email marketing. Affiliate marketing is great, but this is extensively used in the travel industry. अगर आपड़ा में भी कोई travel advisor से, if or somebody is running their own travel business, tourism business, then travel or affiliate marketing does really well because there's a lot of tie-up which is required with affiliates. And I'll give you an example of what I mean by this affiliate marketing. Generally, a commission per work kare. Native advertising, again, it's a form of a content advertising. And native advertising केवु था जरे somebody else is talking about your brand, but in such a way that you don't realize it's an advertisement. You feel that it was an article. And I will give you an example of this native advertising as well. E-commerce is very, very important for all of us today. अगर आज आपने कोई grocery के cake ना business में है और हम लोग cake बेचना चाहते हैं online, not in the current scenario obviously, but once things settle down, or if we want to sell groceries, then e-commerce marketing becomes a very, very important platform for us to advertise. And online video, we are all used to this medium. Current scenario, we are all consuming a lot of content on online, right? And some of these platforms like Hotstar, YouTube, Z5, Voot, GeoTV, other platforms where we can put our ad. And this is the online video piece. I'll quickly take you through each of these examples to tell you what I mean. Can everyone see my Google Chrome screen? Pratik, can you confirm? Pratik, can you see my Chrome screen?
Yes, good to go. Can watch.
Thanks. So the first thing I want to show here is if I'm on the website, this is the ad, right? I'm on crickinfo.com. This is the ad. Can you see? This is the ad. This is an example of display advertising. If I go to Facebook, this here is a content marketing. Content which is done by social media agency. This here is an ad, Godrej Properties. Now this is a coincidence that Godrej is right now advertising and some of you are from the real estate industry. Ready to move in homes in Vilepale. So these are all ads. This is social media ads. Currently, health insurance becomes an important category. If I were to go to Google and type buy health insurance online, then we will see there are two things. There is an ad which everyone can see. And then there you will see that there is certain content where there is no ad before it, right? So this is done by Google for free. This means Google finds that your website is relevant and a particular keyword mate, whatever we enter in this box is called a keyword. A particular keyword mate, your website relevant hai. This is called a search engine optimization on Google. And wherever you see ads, this is called as search engine marketing. Fairly simple, very easy. And I will share this example in the later slides of how it is possible to get into search engine marketing game very quickly. And search engine optimization is a little long drawn process. Can everyone see Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli promoting an academy? This is an example of an influencer marketing. Can everyone see Anushka paid partnership with an academy? This is obviously a big example and a very expensive example, and Anushka Sharma would have charged lakhs and lakhs of rupees to an academy to make this post live. But how does influencer marketing work? It's basically influencer marketing helps you to reach out to that wider audience. If this obviously works with a larger fan base, but does not necessarily mean that Anushka Sharma or the likes of celebrities and cricketers and politicians are the only influencers. Like I said, Tamara group ma aaj agar koi jan che jani par se 5,000 followers che, even he can promote your business. And that just gives you a wider audience to your business. Comscore is one of the websites that gives a lot of content. And this is again, when I said B2B, Comscore reaches out to people like me who are into the digital marketing field. Now people can see that this is state of gaming, etc. Whatever. If I were to download a report, मुझे report download करी, so Comscore will ask me for my email ID and contact details. That means this is a B2B transaction between a business like CEAT and Comscore. I give my email ID and I submit, and I will get details about this particular subject. So what Comscore is doing is it's giving me content, and that's why it's an example of content marketing. Email marketing, again, we are all used to this subject. A lot of us are on Gmail inbox, and Gmail inbox now is bifurcated between primary, social, and promotions. Promotions માં જેટલું પણ આવે છે, this is all example of email marketing. You can see an ad here. So this is an emailer being sent. This was an example which I told you, remember? If you're an example, if you're a builder, if you're a Lodha, somebody like Lodha, or if you're somebody like Godrej Properties, and if you have a database, જેને તમે mail મોકલશો, it will come here. But I can also run an ad in the inbox of the user through search engine marketing. But all this forms part of email marketing. This was an example about affiliate marketing, and this is important if you are into travel business, right? I'm just typing and going through an article of 25 best things to do in London. I will go through the article, etc., etc., etc. Great. Suddenly I say, you know what? I can try this London helicopter flight experience. If I click on this, I will be taken to a website which will give me information about how do I book this flight experience. That means I discovered this website through an affiliate. And that's how, if I were to make a transaction, this blocker will get money. This is an example of affiliate marketing. The very important example I wanted to share was about native advertising, which doesn't feel like an ad, right? So if you see this, look at this article headline: trailer for Netflix, The Perfect Date has us falling for Noah Centineo all over again. It's about an article. So people will read it as an article. People will feel that, okay, this is some interesting article, etc., etc. I'll go through it. But it is integrated with the article. But it is an advertisement for Netflix new series, The Perfect Date. ये ad जो देखा से नहीं तुमने, आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये ad है, आप इसको न्यूज़ की तरह पढ़ोगे, but actually ये native advertising का example है. Very, very important for all of us is e-commerce, right? Right now, obviously, with the current situation of COVID, Amazon has stopped advertising. But if I were to type on keyword of buy shampoo, I can see an ad here. Instead of this, what you can see right now, the government guidelines, etc. Instead of this, you will see an ad, a shampoo brand advertising. And you will see certain sponsored products here as well. Right now, it's all stopped because of COVID. But this is an important ad unit on e-commerce. So e-commerce marketing. Very, very important for the businesses that have a product. Ajay, tamari paase, if you are a smaller brand in the shampoo space, or if you're a grocery brand, if you have your own particular grocery that you want to tie up with Amazon Pantry, this is the place to go to. You can buy keywords and you can start advertising on Amazon for certain keywords. YouTube, obviously, you're all aware, whenever we click on a video and you click on a video, there's an ad that plays before the video. That is a video ad. And partnership with the guys like e-commerce, with the aggregators like Swiggy. Ajay, I just went to Swiggy and I typed here grocery stores. Some of these are very, very important, but you can see Maharashtra Traders, Chheda Dry Fruits. All these guys have tied up with Swiggy to deliver in these harsh times, right? Very, very important. Again, આ બધું listing free માં છે, and if you are delivering, તમે Swiggy ને એક commission આપો છો, but that helps you in discovery as well. આજે Swiggy પર 1 million users આવતા હશે daily basis પર. And that means it can help your business to grow. I hope this was clear. These were the examples or elements of digital marketing. I'll go back to my slide. Everyone can see my slides, right?
Yes, please.
So great. We spoke about what is the scale of digital marketing, and we spoke about different elements of digital marketing. And so I really thought deep about what are the possible subjects that I can share today, which can be quick wins for multiple businesses who have not even taken a step in digital marketing. Possible છે કે આમાંથી અમુક લોકો તમે already આ ચીજ કરતા હશો. And if you're doing it, great, because that means you're already ahead of the curve. But if you're not doing it, you can explore some of these things sitting in your room right away, and you can easily do it. So 5 things I'm going to talk about. First thing I'm going to talk about is engagement on social media. Right. This is an example of my brand that I do on social media, on my particular page. Right now, because of the situation, you don't want to talk about selling your product. But at the same time, you know that there's a captive audience who is engaging a lot of content on social media. Ajay, if you are a cake brand, what you can do or what you can talk about is maybe तुम्हारा cake shop है 100 people ने free of charge cake खवड़ाई. That's a thing that you can talk about. We are talking. That's the thing that you can talk about on your social media page. Some of these things that we do is basically stay inside, stay safe. So basically, again, message of road safety, message of safety. We want to educate people, and we're linking it with cricket. So right now, if you are a social media user, if you're a social media brand, if you are present on social media with your brand, you can engage with this audience through multiple modes. Through this, what we're doing is we're encouraging all our people who are all our employees who are doing something good for the society. So we thanking them. We're thanking our employees. જે અમે road safety measures કર્યું છે એના માટે એ અમે share કરે છે. And other than that, we're just coming out with entertaining content for people to stay inside and stay safe. Right now, very, very important, whatever brand you are, and if you are present on social media, don't sell. Don't sell because people are already facing a tough situation. They're already holding their cash. They don't want to spend. So if you come across as a brand, જે લોકોને ખાલી માલ વેચવો છે and they just want to make a business or a transaction, people will start losing interest in you. People may not want to talk with you. Unless, of course, they're in a state of mind where they are in need to buy a property or to buy certain things or buy a cake. But apart from that, loko hare everything engage karo. Talk about your CSR activities. If you're a cake brand, you can come out with a recipe. If you're a cake shop owner, you can come out with a recipe of how to make your own cake at home. Help people to come out with a content that is going to help them while they are at home. Right? One of the very, very easy things to do, but at the same time, very difficult because you're not talking about selling your product. You're talking about engaging with the audience. Second, and the most important thing, and this is something I'm going to spend some time on, is Google My Business. Ajay, most of us present here will have a business online. Will have a business or a retail storefront. Ajay, apne grocery vechta so we are probably a real estate developer. We are probably cake shop owner, or we are any other XYZ business. However, what we need to do here, and apne pehla slides mein examples were, right? We saw these 11 elements of digital marketing. Some of these examples are very, very expensive, and you will not get into it immediately. Companies like us today spends crores of rupees on these advertising mediums, right? So if you're an SME, you will obviously not have crores of rupees to spend. And that's why I wanted to spend time on Google My Business. First thing you should do is, it's a very, very easy tool. You can visit this link. What I will do is I'll also share this presentation with Pratik and he can share it further. But through this, you can easily list your business. It's a free tool. And what you can do is your business can be listed online. Now, again, I will go back to my favorite example of cake shop, but it is almost applicable to everyone who has a retail storefront or who has a retail storefront or a business, actual business physical presence. આનાથી શું થાય? When people search on Google, a cake shop near me, keyword જે આપણે માણસો નાખશે, people will find your business. And this is free, right? So તમારા directory you are getting discovered for free. Now, assuming that તમારી service બહુ સારી છે, 100 people have done a transaction with you, 10 people are giving you positive reviews. So બીજા માણસો આવશે Google પર, they can see this positive reviews for free. Right? If you want to run a local offer, agar તમે cake shop owner છો, or if you're a grocery shop right now and you want to run an offer only in Tambinagar in Mulund or on Zavir Road, you can run a local offer through Google My Business. This is for free again. Another thing is, again, when people find your business, they can actually find you, they can call you, and they can reach your address. તમને Google Map પર address listing થઈ જશે, તમારું Google પર listing થઈ જશે, અને તમને reviews મળશે positive. So again, going back to some statistics of why Google My Business makes sense, 87% users search engine use કરે છે once a day, and out of this 46% people are actually searching Google or local. Shoe shops near me, cake shop near me, grocery store near me. This is the statistic, and this will again increase. 76% જે લોકો search કરે છે, they actually visit a business. એ લોકોને લોકેશન ગૂગલ મેપ્સ પર નાખશે અને એ લોકો વિઝિટ કરશે બિઝનેસ પર. 28% actually lead to a sale. This is phenomenal, right? તમારું ખાલી લિસ્ટિંગ છે એના વજહથી 28% લોકો તમારી હારે બિઝનેસ કરી છે. તમારે એડવર્ટાઇઝિંગ કાંઈ ન કરવું પડ્યું. You didn't have to spend a penny. All you had to do was list yourself on Google My Business. 71% people surveyed, they said they look up and confirm the location before going into first time. અગર ફિઝિકલ સ્ટોર ફ્રન્ટ પર જેટલા પણ માણસો આવે છે, ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ આજે આપણે બધા શું કરીએ છીએ? We go to Google Maps and type in that location. કે લોકેશન એક્ઝેક્ટલી મળે છે કે નથી મળતું. And if you have a business listed on Google Maps, very, very easy for people. Gives them confidence that real my location je, we can go and visit. And for local listing, 68% they found have used get direction or click to call. Click to call matlab people have actually called a business. That means tamari પાસે એનો નંબર આવી ગયો, તમારી પાસે એનો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ આવી ગયો. આગળ જઈને if people are interested, you can again send them SMS offers about your particular product and service. Right? And few businesses, and I will, after this, I will just give you an example of what I mean by all of this. But if you look at this example, and this is our live example, we have seen our dealerships, je hamara nana naya tire shops se, e lokone પણ આનાથી benefit મળ્યું છે. Incremental sales, no doubt. Increase in discoverability of dealerships. આજે તમારી dealerships or shops or whatever you own right now, the physical storefront is, you will, people, because people are on Google, they are discovering you. તમારો બિઝનેસના બારામાં લોકોને ખબર પડે છે. ગ્રોથ ઇન ફૂટફોલ્સ. લોટ મેની પીપલ જે તમારા બિઝનેસ ડોર ફ્રન્ટ પર ન આવ્યા હોત, they are now coming because of Google My Business. Like I said, તમે રિવ્યુઝ જોઈ શકો છો. So you can see where people are, if you have a store, આજે તમે for example છેડા ડ્રાય ફ્રૂટ store, and if you have 3 stores in Mulund, Ghatkopar and Matunga, you can see feedback for all 3 stores. If 2 stores are getting 5 star and 1 store is getting 3 star, that means something is wrong in that store. And people will ensure ke loko tumne negative feedback ape. You will see that maybe your sales guy was very rude, your cash collection was not proper, your stock is not updated, you're selling expiry stock. I'm just giving an example. But તમને આનાથી બધું મળશે કે customer feedback શું છે and how can you improve, so that you can improve your star rating. Like I said, you can run location level offers. આજે તમે જોવો છો કે ઘાટકોપરનું સેલ પડી ગયું છે, પણ મુલુંડ અને માટુંગા is doing well. I can run an offer only for Ghatkopar. અને જેટલા માણસો આવે છે એ લોકો સર્ચ કરીને આવે છે ઘાટકોપરથી જ આવે છે, રાઈટ? કેમ કે એ લોકો નજીકવાળા સ્ટોરમાં જશે પોતાના. And you can access to all your local assets for collaborations. I'll give you an example of what we did, and you will see this. Just one second. Can everyone see the Google screen again?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if you just type C8 store near me or C8 tire shop near me, obviously પહેલા તો website આવશે. But look at this. Obviously currently બધું બંધ છે because of COVID. But all of this was discovered because I've done this. However, if I click on this, I can see that this business has 4.54 rating. I can see that address શું છે, mobile number શું છે. I can call these people up directly, right? If I go below, I can see address store કેવું દેખાય છે. I can see what are the positive things and what are the negative things. Happy with the service, good quality of tires. But it is possible that there is something negative as well, and I can see that as well. Right? And believe me, through this click to call, etc., we have seen that businesses have actually experienced 3x increase in their own particular business. And not just tire business, I'm talking about multiple cases here. So local businesses help. This is how Google My Business helps. So this was the second element that I wanted to share. If you are not present here, please ensure that you get yourself listed on Google. And again, the biggest benefit, it's free. You can even now, Google is offering for small businesses, offering a free website tool as well. So you can develop your own website in few steps and your website is live, right? Third element I want to talk about is, again, e-commerce marketing and aggregator partnerships. This is a very, very important example for some of you who are probably into grocery business. And right now, given the need of the hour, groceries બહુ important છે. માણસોને sugar જોઈએ છે, માણસોને mug જોઈએ છે, માણસોને normal snacks જોઈએ છે. The host of things, because people are all at home. We are all in lockdown. host of things we need. Ajab, we need ये सब सामान आपको चाहिए because, and what is more convenient? Do I go to the store because by then मारो exposure वधी जाए छे and I stand a risk of catching a virus. But if someone were to deliver this at my home, it makes my life easier. And it is not just true for COVID scenario. It makes very important sense for right now for the COVID scenario, but it is also important for post-COVID scenario. So some of you guys who are into this business, you can easily partner with Amazon, you can partner with Grofers, you can partner with Big Basket. One of my friends run a business, a retail business in Mulund, and he's into pulses, he's into all these possible items. Through this, what we have suggested is, why don't you get yourself listed on these businesses houses? Through this, he will get more business. Partner with Just Dial India Mart. Again, very, very important. My father personally runs a chemical business. He partnered with Just Dial 8 months or 12 months back. And again, he has seen a significant jump into the inquiries that are coming in through Just Dial and India Mart. India Mart, Just Dial, they sell you packages. Lead wise package that we will sell you 3,500 leads. So for 3,500 rupees, we'll give you all the leads which are searching for grocery related items. And we will connect with you. We will connect you to them. Very, very easy. But you have to invest some money here to see the results. Simplest thing to do is WhatsApp. एक अलग number ले लो. तुम्हारे पास already set of numbers छे, mobile numbers छे. You can advertise via WhatsApp as well. If you are into grocery, if you have certain stock that you want to sell at this point in time, a lot of people right now in societies, a lot of housewives in societies are running their business on WhatsApp only. There is someone in my society who does an excellent job in this. What she does is she gets a lot of stock from Thailand, she gets a lot of stuff from Manish Market, etc. And then she has multiple groups of housewives in my societies and multiple societies all over the world. She's running her business only on WhatsApp. Some of the links again I've provided, these are very, very easy steps. It will be a little intimidating in the beginning, but agar tame try karso, and a video but बहुत easy loko approach Amazon hai. Tame try karso, you can easily get yourself registered our platforms per. So again, third important element to run your business successfully is e-commerce marketing or e-commerce partnerships. Very easy. And there is one element which I wanted to talk about is, और जे पण तमे data collect करसो, ये data ने store करजो, वो data को save करके रखना. What do I mean by data? अगर आपने Just Dial में एक lead लिया है, तो आपको अगर 500 लोगों ने contact किया, maintain that 500 people in an Excel sheet or a Google spreadsheet, whatever tool you're comfortable with. The reason I'm saying is, the more customer details you keep in your Excel sheet, agar jane tamne kaam aase. Again, I'll give you an example of a grocery store. For example, I have maintained an Excel sheet with 200 people who have bought sugar from me. Now I know in a household of 4, 5 kg sugar will probably get over in 1 month. Giving you an example, guys, I don't know the real data. But assuming that a 5 kg sugar is getting over in 2 months in a household of 4, I know all these guys who are in my database, and I know after exactly 50 days, एक offer मोकलीस कि तमिल लोग last 2 महीना पहले sugar ली थी, in all likelihood sugar पत्ती के ऐसे, would you like to buy again? And right now we are running a local offer. It is possible. So maintain this data because you're spending, तमें Just Dial ने पैसा है पूरे. You're spending or you're investing your time on Amazon. So you're having customer information. The more customer information you have, you can maintain this on Google. This is obviously the free tool. There are paid tools as well, like Zoho or VTiger, etc. Organizations like us use even fancier CRM tools, but then this will require investment. To start with, I would really tell you guys, agar SMEs cho, and if you don't want to invest, Excel sheet is a very good enough indicator. All you need is a resource. Je tamaro manpower mein ek jan je khali data ne study kare. And fourth important element that I wanted to talk about is the Google search engine marketing. Google search engine marketing, again, you can go to ads.google.com. તમે તમારું credit card information નાખો and you can run a local ad. Again, થોડું complicated છે, but if you have somebody in your team who can do this, who can run this business, again, it's a very, very important business to start with. Google search engine marketing क्या help करे है? I can get into state of mind where people are actually having an intent to buy that particular product or service. Look at this example. Buy health insurance online. By pelli ad chuja Religare health insurance ni at whatever price, etc. And I can also see that 10% off on 2 or 3 years policy. Suddenly, મારા માઇન્ડમાં એક ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ આવશે. Otherwise, મને ખબર પણ ન પડ્યો કે એક બ્રાન્ડ છે અને એ એક્ઝિસ્ટ કરે છે. But because I can see this ad, I can click here. I can possibly make a transaction with Religare. And the best thing about Google search engine marketing, ad દેખાડવા માટે Google તમારાથી પૈસા નહીં લે. It is only when you click on this link, Google તમારાથી પૈસા લેશે. So you start with 1,000 rupees. It's okay. So 1,000 rupees you start karo, and then you see the response. If it's not working, if you're not getting any leads, लोग आपके वेबसाइट पे नहीं आ रहे हैं, लोग आपको कॉल नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, it's fine. You can discontinue and you can start later when you have an attractive product proposition. But it's a very interesting module to get started. Very, very easy, very self-explanatory. And all you have to do is you start with a small test budget. But however, very important rider here is you need to have a website. Because તમારી પાસે વેબસાઇટ હશે તો એ તમને કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી શકશે. Right? So these are the 4 things which I felt which are very relevant, and if some of you are not tapping into it, you should immediately get into it. Like I said, each and every subject is vast in digital marketing, and I can, or rather not just I can, you can pretty much invest your entire career into one subject in itself. We have experts in the industry who are only experts in search engine marketing, and they've spent 20 years studying only Google search engine marketing. So that is the grandness of the subject that I'm referring to. And the last part I really wanted to stay with you was, it's a very interesting field, and there is host of information, because my lecture was just an introductory piece about what is digital marketing and how some of it can help you. However, there are a host of courses which are available online, and you can pretty much, so for example, Simply Learn has a YouTube channel which gives you content for free. Google has a Google Digital Unlock program, and you can actually get your certification for free. It has beautiful 3-minute, 4-minute videos. All it will give you is, what you can do is you go to this website, learndigitalwithgoogle.com. You go to this website, you already have a Gmail ID, get yourself started. Free course છે. All એકદમ fundamentally લોકો સમજાવશે. It will give you great examples. It has a lot of videos. It has quizzes, all of that, and you can go at your own pace. એમાં કઈ pressure નથી. It's a 40 hour of lectures, free, available freely for you, and you can decide when you want to go. So today, if you have only 10 minutes to invest, please go ahead and invest 10 minutes. Tomorrow weekend છે, તમારી પાસે time છે, आप 1 घंटा दे सकते हो उसको. And some of these are free courses. Some of them are obviously paid courses as well. For example, there's a website called Coursera. It's tied up with University of Illinois. What you can do is, again, these are free courses and these are paid courses. Some of it you can also, so I've given you the list of all these possible websites online. You can go to either of these. Some of them will be free, some of them will be paid. If you're really serious about taking up this field, then maybe it's a good starting point to get a paid course, because paid course will be more detailed. You will get lecture, counseling, etc. from a lot of top quality professors, etc. After this COVID scenario is over, even then when you're interested, बहुत सारे offline courses भी है आपके लिए. You can go to XLRI Institute, IIM Bangalore, MICA, Mudra Institute of Communications in Ahmedabad. All of these institutes are also offering you online courses, but through offline institutes. These are heavy duty lectures. You get 3 hours of daily time spent, etc. But you get excellent course lecture, and because you're able to do this, you can spend more time seriously on this, right? So this was a brief introduction and piece that I wanted to cover. Really, thank you again. Thank you, BCOC. Thank you, Pratik, for giving me this opportunity. Absolutely honored to be here, and I'm happy to take any questions, etc. Thank you, guys.
Brilliant. Sounds great, actually. Regarding questions, I'd like Dhaval Badra to kindly turn your microphone on and go ahead with his question, please.
Hi, Harshit. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Dhaval.
Hi. Basically, we run two. I mean, I run two kind of business. One is in solar sector, and another is in real estate, right?
Okay.
Now, the problem is, as we know what you have explained today, in today's world, it is very much relevant that everyone needs to start digital marketing for their own businesses. Now, for my real estate firm, I've been contacting many digital agencies, right? but everyone is
Right.
working on everyone is giving me an option of working on only fixed cost. Can you suggest me some
Right.
agency where the fixed cost will be less and variable will be more, so that whatever I'm targeting through digital, it is going to the
Hmm.
right audience? Now, what is
So
happening with just for an example, there's one agency who had quoted me, give me 1 lakh rupees, I'll give you 700 leads for a residential complex, out of which the conversion will be 3% to 4%.
hmm.
Right. So I
Okay.
actually don't know where that 1 lakh will be spent.
Exactly.
Being from the two different industry, I cannot go deep into digital marketing as of current status. So definitely I have to
Sure.
hire a good agency who will work on my
Sure.
behalf. So
Right.
can you give me some tips, or some agencies who will work more on variable and less on fixed cost, or basically a milestone basis arrangement we can have it?
Understood. So I think a very relevant question, Dhaval, and so I understand the challenges that you're facing. What you can immediately do is, look, I will not have exact agencies. I will not know who will work on this model, but there are
Mm.
certain things you can pitch to the agencies, right? And
Right.
don't go for the guy who has given you this 1 lakh proposal, because there is no mathematics or logic behind this. For all, he will be selling you something junk, and you will end up wasting.
Exactly.
But look, the agency's approach will be very similar, because all of these agencies will have a little higher fixed cost. So what you
Right.
can do is approach these agencies and tell them that you will give them commission for all the advertising spend that they do. So for example, look, Google My Business, e-commerce marketing, listing, at least all of that is free, that you can probably get your office team, somebody to do it for you for free. So don't get
Okay.
agency involved there.
Okay.
But for example, search engine marketing, or maybe partnerships with, because you're in real estate, maybe partnership with 99 acres or
Yeah.
housing.com, etc. That
Yeah.
is probably very important. And if that makes sense, in that case, you can get into a variable partnership through an agency or with
Mm-hmm.
99 acres directly as well. So you tell
Mm-hmm.
them that I will pay you per lead, and most of these guys will give you an offer of paying you per lead.
Right.
What agencies will do is they will probably allocate a resource who will be a part-time resource who will work for you.
Mm-hmm.
They'll charge a commission. For example, if you're spending 1,000 rupees with 99 acres, then
Right.
agency's job is to ensure that they do the entire end-to-end listing and everything coordination with 99 acres, but
Mm-hmm.
they will charge 5% of the 1,000 rupees. But the
Okay.
benefit is that your headache is no longer there. You don't have to look into all of it. You will look at the final benefit of how many leads were you able to convert through 99 acres. If it worked, great. If it didn't work, you can move on. But so
Okay.
you work with agencies on a commission basis.
Yeah.
But having said that, there will be some fixed costs, because agencies will also run on the overhead. They're running a huge overheads, and they have the resources that their side as well. Also,
Right.
start with the smaller agencies. Start with the hungry agencies, because they will be very enthused to start and make prove themselves. They would want clients on their roster. So start with
Okay.
smaller agencies, and they will help you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take this offline with you. Thank you.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Shambulal Bhanushali, please just turn on your microphone and ask your question, please.
Okay, my question is digital marketing is really very good and you explain it very well for other stuff, but how can a specialist doctor having hospital can use it?
Okay, that's a good question. Now, given the advertising norms in the country today, some of these advertising modules will not be relevant to a specialist doctor. Reason being, medicine as a practice cannot be advertised as per the norms of the government. However, there are still certain things what you can do. One is you can definitely look at starting your own YouTube channel and a Facebook page. uh, Through this, you can start giving out tips and tricks. You can come out with your own videos. You can shoot these videos from your mobile phone and start suggest. So for example, you can start your own podcast, or you can start your own video and suggest how to remain fit, how to remain, what are the best medicines, how can you improve your immunity. If certain things are of value, and if people start, and you start sharing this within your social network, and if people start seeing value in this, you will start getting popularity through that medium. Other than that, what people do and this is more of a thing that I've heard from other medical practitioners, is some of these medicine brands reach out to the doctors to propagate a particular medicine, For example, at a very simplistic level, headache हो रहा है तो आप crocin suggest कीजिए, and similar to crocin, other medicines can be suggested as well. So you can partner with the pharmaceutical brands to propagate the right product for the patients. But these are the things that I can think of top of my mind, to be very honest.
Okay, good. But we can always give hospital address in the Google My Business, right? That is allowed.
That is absolutely allowed. That you should do immediately.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
And another question that I'll take directly with you. So the person who's asking a question is a graphic designer. Is it good for the future graphic designing? And also, can I list myself on Google Business?
So if you have a physical presence, or even if you don't have a physical presence, but if you will need some address for Google My Business to be going live. So if you have an address where you can go live, and if you have some client testimonials, etc., you should definitely list yourself. There is no harm in listing yourself. It's just a free thing that is available from Google. And unlikely that people search for graphic designers near me, but if 10 people are searching on Google for graphic designers near me in that location, and if your name pops out, you'll just get an idea, you'll get some leads. So if you have a physical location, go ahead and do it, and get your clients, etc. Because if you're a graphic designer, you will be working with certain clients. You can request them to share their reviews, etc., and get yourself listed. But you need to have a physical location, because what Google does is, after you register on your business, Google will send you the coordinates on your particular address. That's how it verifies that you are the right owner of that business. So you need to have a location for sure.
Brilliant. Moving on, there's a question which says, besides Facebook, which other mediums are providing option as pay-per-click model, and what is the approximate cost for the same?
No, so it's a very broad question. Cost per click really varies from industry to industry. And Facebook, Google is the biggest pioneer in this. Even Amazon Amazon will give you cost per click model, and Amazon has different cost per click models. So you start with 5 rupees. In certain cases, you start with 1 rupee per click, but it's all linked to bidding. So what happens is, every time there's a model, every time there's a live auction, whenever the user enters a keyword, like I just did, buy health insurance online, what Google did was it ran a live auction. And there are two particular criteria. It's a little detailed, it's a little technical, but I'll quickly try and explain it to you. What Google does is it calculates the quality score of the website, which is how good the website is, what is the relevant content, website loading time is quick, whether the website is mobile optimized. So that is the quality score. And what is the bidding amount? So every ad that you place on Google, you start with a particular bid. So you will say, Google, you will tell Google that I will pay 5 rupees if people were to click on this ad. If your competitor is paying 6 rupees and he's having a better quality score, he will win the bid. However, if you're having a better quality score at 5 rupees and he's having a lesser or a low quality score at 6 rupees, Google will place your ad above him. So it's all linked to bid amount and quality score. But these are the top two mediums, and CPC range varies from industry to industry. Some industries like perfumes or clothing brands or mobile brands, because very populated, they demand a CPC of 50, 100 rupees at some level as well. And some level like tires or lubricants, etc., they will have a little lower CPCs as well. So CPC is cost per click. So honestly, it's a very industry specific number.
Brilliant. Moving on to our next question. How is LinkedIn as a marketing platform, and which type of businesses do you think LinkedIn can be used for?
So LinkedIn is a very beautiful platform. The kind of platform which has been used extensively by B2B businesses primarily. We have used businesses certain times when we wanted to create awareness. The benefit with LinkedIn is, if you go to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager, LinkedIn has a lot of targeting options. Like you can target people by profession, you can target people by industries, and if you are an HR consultant, you can even add, just add people for free, right? You can add people, connect in your network, and get your CVs for free, because there are always people looking out for a job. So basis your objective. So HR consultants obviously, or organizations, use it extensively, who basically want people to hire. And primarily people are present on LinkedIn because they want the right job seeker to reach out to them. That is one. But other than that, a lot of businesses, like I give you an example of ComScore right now, all the B2B, wherever people want to share the content, white papers, if somebody wants to advertise to me to use their platform for advertising. So a lot of B2B organizations use LinkedIn extensively. Having said that, if you're a B2C business and if you have certain specific profession in mind, even that's an open. So LinkedIn gives you that very sharp targeting. And that's why, depending on your goal and objective, if LinkedIn makes sense, you can definitely go ahead. But I've seen successful cases with B2B advertisers.
Brilliant, brilliant. Once again, I'm getting a lot of questions. If you can just touch upon, I know you have said it earlier, but just touch upon any online digital marketing courses that you would recommend.
I will. So I will just share this slide again. 1 second. You can maybe take a screenshot of this. That'll help. If you can take a screenshot of this, most of you are present on the presentation. Just take a screenshot of this. So Udemy, Unacademy, Upgrad, Coursera, etc. These are all the online institutes per se who are offering multiple courses. However, to start with, I would suggest don't spend money. Go for the free one, because you will know what is working for you. Whether are you interested, because all of this sounds very fancy, but when you actually get into the practices, when you realize how much time do you want to invest. So Simply Learn YouTube channel, if you go to, it has an entire digital marketing module. To be very honest, even if you want to start something at a very basic level, start with this course. So this is Learn with Digital with Google.com. This is how the screen is going to look like. All you need is a Gmail ID, and you can click on starting the course. It is beautiful. It has 3-minute to 4-minute videos, beautifully bifurcated into module-wise architecture, and you can take this course starting today. So just go ahead and explore. And once you're really serious about this profession and you've grown leaps and bounds, and if you want to further upgrade your skill, is when you can look at these institutes like XLRI, IIM Bangalore, etc. But some of these are really helpful, and I would suggest you start with Google, because it's covering most of these things that we spoke about.
Brilliant. Also, we are getting some requests. If you can share your email ID or whatever you're comfortable
Oh, I'm
with.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. Actually, it
get
was
in touch with you.
Sorry, it was a part of my last slide. Unfortunately, I forgot to show you the last slide, but I'll be happy to connect with all of you. This is my, thank you again, BCOC, and this is my email ID. This is my LinkedIn. Happy to connect with all of you here. Feel free to ask questions.
Just one last question. People are curious to know, what does a company like CEAT have their budgets for digital marketing like? It's just to get some idea on that. Harshit, can you hear us? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So, what is the digital marketing budget of a company like CEAT?
A little confidential. Unfortunately, I cannot share that information
that's
again. Because
that's fine. We understand. That's fine. So we'll just take one more question and then we are good to go. A person says, how can I start a blog and how do I affiliate myself with others and earn from those blogs?
It's a very, very good question. Very relevant in today's time. Right now, you also have time to invest in the blog. So one, to start with a blog, start with a particular subject of why do you want to start a blog, and what is the different thing that you can offer where other bloggers are not able to provide. So more often than not, generally, even I started miserably and I failed miserably in my travel blog. I started with 2 blogs and then I got bored of it. So first, be very clear on why you want to start a blog, on what subject do you want to start a blog, because starting a blog is fairly easy. There are a host of websites, etc. And once you start a blog, you will getting the readership is going to be a challenge. Again, getting a readership through your social media audience and through your friends and relatives is going to be easy. But remember, they will only share if there is a value in your blog. So if I'm a travel blogger, what is a different thing that I'm going to offer? For example, so if I'm going to London, can I offer 5 restaurants which will serve Jain food? Can I offer 3 restaurants which will only offer eggless cakes? Now, these are the specific things that are possible through my blog, which no other blogger or user will really have to search through. So understand why you want to run a blog and what are the specific value adds that you can give through your blog. But other than that, it's a great idea. You can build your audience through, there are WordPresses, there is Tumblr, etc. Through these platforms, you can start your blog. You can give out a lot of this content. It's a great time to give out your content because we're all in lockdown. We all have time to invest, and then start promoting it extensively on your social media. So it's a good platform to start. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, it does. So, just once again, one last question, and then we are off because I'm getting quite a few questions. Due to lack of time, cannot take all the questions. So, a person is like, how would you budget for digital marketing on various platforms?
Okay, so very good question actually. So again, whenever we start with a digital marketing plan or digital marketing activity, we start with a goal, or what is the goal that we have, and we start with an overall marketing budget. So for example, if my campaign is a new product launch and my management has given me a budget of 100 rupees, so out of that 100 rupees, maybe it's possible that 50 rupees will go into TV, 20 rupees will go into digital, 30 rupees will go into print and outdoor. So if when 20 rupees are, so you start with a small budget that you have and you start with the goal. So new product launch, that means I want people to be aware of that launch. So that means I will pick out mediums like social media, which are more important, which will give me wider reach. So that, or I'll pick out mediums like YouTube. I'll pick out mediums like ESPN Cricinfo, because audience will go there. And if this India-Pakistan match, and if I'm advertising on ESPN Cricinfo, the likelihood of my launch being noticed is going to be high. However, if my goal is sales, pure sales and not linked to anything, then I will shove away from these certain mediums and I'll only focus on e-commerce and search engine marketing. So be very clear on why do you want to run a campaign. And once you're clear on that campaign, and there will be certain budget that you will start with. So you always start with a budget. If you're a small business, nobody really knows what kind of response you're going to get. But at least it's better to start someplace. So you start with say 5,000, 10,000 rupees, see the response on two platforms, one platform. Maybe one platform will give you a higher conversion than the other, and then you scale up from there.
Brilliant. Thank you, Harshit. So, Mr. Satish Bhai Hurbada, please go on the video and turn on your microphone for a vote of thanks, please.
Hello. Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Yes, we can hear you. Please go on.
I, Satish Bhanushali, on behalf of Shri Kachi Bhanusali Seva Samaj Trust, Bhanusali Chamber of Commerce, and from my entire team, would give you heartiest vote of thanks for sharing and enlightening us with the various aspects, tactics with respect to digital marketing, and helping us to utilize our lockdown period and learning a new concept with respect to digital marketing. Harshit, we once again thank you for sharing such a knowledge and your experience with us.
Thank you very much, sir. It was an honor to be here and my pleasure. I would like to thank Pratik again, because it was because of him I got an opportunity to share something. And this is a beautiful subject. So yeah, I mean, go ahead and explore. Feel free to go ahead and just experiment with this medium.
Thank you so
Great.
much, Harshit.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harshit, and thank you all organizers. It was a good one.
Our pleasure. Thank you. Do give us feedback if you have any particular topic and speakers that we can get on board. We'll be happy to do that, please.
Hello.